Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. And you can do it by pressing the crown button or the side button. And once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. And then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the General and tap on it. Then scroll down, find the option called the Reset and select it. And here select the option called Erase all content and settings. Then scroll down and tap on the button called Erase all to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's tap on it. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the welcome screen, this animation, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.